To bring a touch of nature indoors, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to put together a terrarium. Terrariums are such a fun way to garden indoors any time of year, especially in the winter months. The first thing you'll need is a container. I found this one for $15 at HomeGoods. I have some of these small black rocks left over from a fish aquarium that I'm going to add to the container first. This will give some space for excess water to sit below the soil, since this container doesn't have any drainage. If your container doesn't have the lower indent like mine, black pebbles work nicely because they visually blend with the potting soil so the individual layers aren't as noticeable from the side. Next, I'm going to add some potting soil. There's something calming about indoor gardening. Then, I'm going to make a small hole in the soil for the first plant. This small fern is the first of 3 plants I picked out for this terrarium. I'm just going to carefully remove the plant from the pot and place the plant in the hole, tucking it into the soil. The second plant I'm going to add is this soft pastel-toned African violet. After removing the pot, I'm going to tuck it in right next to the small fern, working the soil in around the base of the plant. And next, I'm going to add this little variegated plant. When choosing plants for your terrarium, keep in mind that they of course need to have similar lighting requirements, but also choosing plants with contrasting colors and textures will create the most intriguing end result. And after all the plants are added, it's time to add some moss. Terrarium or aquarium tweezers can make this process a little easier, but are not necessary. They can just make it a little easier to place the moss into small nooks. I'm adding 4 different types of moss to this container. I love the hues and textures that moss adds to terrariums, and also like that it helps keep the soil moist a little longer by blanketing the soil, slowing down how fast the water can evaporate. I really like the textured look of this especially. Moss can be purchased at most craft stores, but also I found it at Menards for almost half the price. The different mosses work together wonderfully and give the container a very natural, rustic, and almost cottagey look, creating a small vignette that you might dream of happening upon on a summer stroll through the woods. After the container is complete, I'm going to give this new little environment a sprinkle of water, just to dampen the soil and clean away any dirt that might have landed on the leaves while planting. And here's the finished look. Welcome to my channel. I'm Christopher Heidemann and I love to decorate. Over the years, I've had a blast sharing a variety of craft and decorating videos. From cozy fall and spooky Halloween to warm and inviting Christmas. And other fun videos including seasonal home tours, garden tours, simple desserts and treats, floral arrangements, and other projects to make your holidays and home even more spectacular.